I've also been asked a lot about these cars. Do you guys know what these types of cars are? This one here looks like it's off Fast and Furious. But these are Lincoln LS cars. And I've seen these derbied. They're not really that good. They look like they'd be good. They got a big trunk. But here lays the issue. They're rear-wheel drive. And look at all this aluminum. You have aluminum spindles, aluminum control arms. It is not very good. As soon as you break one of these, you're pretty much done. You're pretty much done. They take big rooms to clear the brakes, so you need to run 16s or 17s. I'm not 100% sure. The other thing is once you take all this apart, the doors are pretty much hollow. There's nothing really to them. There's a lot of space inside these things. Oh, come on, close. So once you take off the skins, there's pretty much nothing left in the door. You got to take that big silver piece out to get all the motors out and the windows out and all that fun stuff. So not only does it have all the aluminum on the inside, it has even more. That's right, more aluminum up front. You have a aluminum control arm that's got some pretty crazy bends to it, aluminum spindles that the brakes mount to. This is all aluminum. This car has got a lot of drawbacks. You know, it may look tough from the outside. I've seen a lot of people ask about the Lincoln LS's, but realistically, these are based off a Jaguar platform. So they're not really designed to be, they're not really an American car, let's put it that way. They're a British designed Jaguar. Some of the Jaguars are pretty tough, don't get me wrong, but not this model. Got the V6, but still even more aluminum. No rad cradle. It's all plastic. Oh no, it's actually steel up here. It's a steel rad cradle. But honestly, these cars are not too impressive. And you got a couple of them here, so it doesn't really look like the longevity really holds up on these. But yeah, I don't know. Have any of you guys ran these Lincoln LS's? I've only ever seen one run, and it didn't do very well. One axle shot and it broke a spindle in the front, and then another axle shot in the back, and it pretty much destroyed everything. So I don't know. If you get one, I really wouldn't bother running it. There's nothing you can really change it out to fix it. But each to their own. If you guys want to run one, I'm not going to say don't, but I wouldn't. Some ducks. But I really wouldn't run one of these. They look cool, but they just don't hold up in the ring. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here tomorrow.